Welcome to Granny's Crochet. This video is for beginners. You will learn how to crochet and how to make single crochet. For this you can use any yarn you have or you like and crochet hook of 5mm size or any size you have. First we'll make slip stitch. Twist the yarn around your fingers in a cross way like this. Insert your hook and pull the loop like this. This is another method of making slip stitch. Insert your hook in this loop and pull both strands tightly. Now we'll make chains. Keep the face of your crochet hook towards you and wrap the long strand over your index finger. Pull the crochet hook, yarn over, and slowly turn the face of crochet hook downward and pull through the loop. So this is the first chain. One more time, yarn over, turn the face downward and pull through the loop. Yarn over again, turn the face downward slowly and pull through the loop. Yarn over, turn the crochet hook downward and pull through the loop. You can see V structure, so these are known as chains. Continue making as many as you want, or 11. I have made 11 chains. You can make as many as you want. Now insert your hook in the second chain from the hook. This is chain 1 and this is next chain. Insert your hook in the second chain. Grab the yarn and pull through like this. You will have 2 loops on your crochet hook, yarn over and slowly pull through both loops. This is your first single crochet. Now insert your hook in the next stitch or the next chain. Grab the yarn over and pull through both loops. Make the face of crochet hook downward so it will be easy for you to pull through. Again insert your hook, grab the yarn over, pull through both loops. Insert your hook, grab the yarn and yarn over, pull through both loops. Continue making this all over until you reach the end. Now this is last chain. Insert your hook, grab the yarn over, pull through both loops. So now you can see clear V's. Chain 1 in the end. Turn the work. Now we'll work in these V stitches. Insert your hook. In the first single crochet like this, grab the yarn You will have 2 loops, yarn over, pull through both loops. So this is new round for single crochet. Grab the yarn over, pull through both. So this is second single crochet. Continue making this until you reach the end. In the end, make chain 1 and turn the work. Make as many rounds as you want. I have made 5 rounds. This is my 3rd, 4th and 5th. In the end, make chain 1 and cut the yarn. Pull the strand and make it tight. Now for hiding the tails, you can use yarn needle. Just go inside and outside, like in and out around the stitches like this. And pull the yarn needle like this. Cut the excess part. Do same with the other end. Just go in and out around the stitches like this. And stretch the project like this. Cut the excess part. So this is single crochet. Hope you liked the video.